Let's get started. Step number 1. Take your right elbow and pretend you're putting it on a ledge. Step with your right foot forward. Do the same thing on the left side. And now one at a time, step back, taking your arms or dropping it behind you one at a time. One more time, elbow, elbow, arm, arm, while stepping back. Good job. Next step, you're going to swing 2 times on the side. You're going to try to lift your body up and then drop it slightly. Do the same thing on the other side. Lift it up and drop it as you're swinging to the side. Easy version. Don't drop that body and just swing 2 times on each side. Let's do it the difficult way or the more challenging way. Swing and sit, swing and sit. Good job. Let's put both steps together. Elbow, elbow, arm, arm, elbow, elbow, arm, arm. Swing and sit, swing and sit. One more time. Swing, sit, swing, sit. Good job. Next step, you're going to take your arm, the same foot together, corner to corner. Arm will go up and down. The foot will go make a corner to corner diagonal line. Then you're going to follow it with a spreading move. One more time. Up and down, up and down. Now you're going to take your arm and serve dinner. Serve dinner. Good? All right. Now let's do the next part. You're going to just shake it 4 times and then walk 4 times in a circle. Shake, 2, 3, 4. Walk, 2, 3, 4. Good job. Let's put it together. Down and up, serve it, and then shake, 2, 3, 4, walk, 2, 3, 4, and you're back to your starting position. Good job. Now, let's do the chorus step. You're going to bend your knees and you're going to jump in place. Your knees are going to go together and out. Your arms are going to go in and then on the shoulder, together and out. Arms on the shoulder. Good job. Now, here we go. Second part. Take your elbow, take it around. Oops. All right. Now, take your elbow, clap twice, take it round your head. The next part, you're going to tap forward with your heels and then shake your hands out. Let's do it again. The first move, and now the next move. Out, out, and shake and shake. Good job, and you're all set.
इश्क में दिल बना है, इश्क में दिल फना है। ओ मिटा दे या बना दे, मैंने तुझको चुना है। ओ तेरे सारे रंग ओढ़ के, डंग ओढ़ के, तेरा हुआ मैं सबको छोड़ के। इश्क नहीं करना नाप तोल के, राज खोल के आया हूँ मैं सबको बोल के। ओ मैं था चलेया तेरी ओर, तेरा चलेया है जोर, तेरा होया मैं यार में, भूले आए संसार में। चलेया तेरी ओर, तेरा चलेया है जोर, तेरा होया मैं यार में, भूले आए संसार में। जग तेरे लिए छोड़िया